Hi, my name's Brandon Schwartz, and this is Signature Motorsport. What's up, guys? My name's Brandon. We're back here working on the G8. So we've got a lot to do today. We get the engine and the turbo kit very soon. So the goal for today is to get this car a roller. We need to get the front suspension on. We need to drop the rear subframe. Get the we have the fuel tank. We need to get that spaced out because of some of our cooler lines. So I'm working on dropping the subframe right now. But again, the goal for the end of the day is just to get this car. We want to be able to move it. We want it to be able to drop on the floor. We want it to have wheels and tires on it. We're getting really close here to starting to get to the real meat of the build. So let's get to it.
So what's usually the first step in dropping the rear subframe?
So I've got all 4 big subframe bolts loose here, and then the 2 on the other side. And then the only other bolts are just the top strut mounts.
It's pulling the subframe because of shocks.
Wiggle it a little bit. Yeah, it's out. If it catches, it could be, make sure to keep that top hat, so.
Yeah, I'm making sure
yeah,
it's
it's
all.
fine.
We're good.
So what's the main problem in layman's terms?
I forgot to disconnect the fuel tank.
Yeah, that's a lot of stuff.
There she is.
Are we rolling this backwards?
Yeah. Sure. Dude, I balanced this thing perfect.
And there's the fuel cell in there.
Yep, there she is.
That's a big mama.
18.6 gallons.
We need to get the car back up in the air. We need to get the fuel tank back into it with the front strap still on so that we can pitch it and figure out how much we need to space it.
Great, easy enough.
Wait, so what exactly is being spaced on the fuel tank?
The fuel tank itself.
Oh, is it so we can fit everything?
So we can fit the lines above it without absolutely switching them.
Wait, so what's the process of spacing it then?
See those polyurethane bushings?
Right here?
Yep. So we're going to cut those, and we're going to silicone them straight to the chassis, and put the fuel tank under. So if we hold this up, could you put the straps on?
I mean,
The strap on?
I can, I guess.
Well, what do you...
We're gonna put the right ones on the right side this time too.
Yeah, we are. I just don't know.
Oh, you're gonna put the right one on the right side and the left one on the left side, okay?
Hold my approval. Thanks, buddy.
Do we want longer bolts too? Probably.
Maybe.
I mean, if we're going to space it more than this, or even this probably, we need longer bolts.
Yeah. I just don't know how much space it yet. What about now?
Still good?
Still good? We're not crushing them, we're not pinching them, we're not.
I don't believe so.
All right, the one all the way to the passenger side. Give it a little bit of a pull. Oh, dude, we're fine.
Yeah, we don't need...
I can pull that one out if I want.
Yeah.
We don't need
We
spacing.
might be pushing on them, but we're
That's
not
not
taking
gonna-
away from the overall inside area.
It's not
Do we
affecting
want
the
to put
flow
any,
rate.
like, do we still want
Yes.
to put nut spacers there?
No.
Okay.
So we don't need to space the gas tank at all?
Which is...
Nope, but we gotta take it down again anyway. Better to safe.
Dude, that's a relief though.
Yes, sir.
That's one less step. So if the fuel cell doesn't need to get spaced, why exactly does it have to come out again?
Because we gotta plug all the lines and electrical connectors inside. Just wanted to see how it sat with the lines in the place that they are now.
Yeah.
You just gotta make sure that the strip tower goes in.
I'm good on this end.
Oh, yeah, I'm good.
You good?
Lined up.
Okay. Drop it.
Who's gonna win? I win.
Subframe is in now on the side. Change what?
The angle of the dangle.
Wait, the angle of the dangle.
Yeah, change your angle of the dangle.
What does that even mean?
Well, it's gotta go up.
Going up?
So what exactly is the dangle?
The dangle?
Yeah.
Well, the dangle is where the angle is.
How much we could do this, you think?
One.
Helps if I'm going the right f***ing way.
So jack stands are in place. Now you're gonna lower it so you can change the lift arm position.
The angle of the dangle.
What are we putting this on?
Just make sure the car is more balanced.
Just like that. Yeah, give her a wiggle.
Wiggle test.
Okay. Wiggle.
Freaking sweet, Walsh.
Feels good?
Yeah.
So what then? The next step is just reassembling the entire front
Yeah,
of the car.
I just don't know which side. I'm pretty sure this is driver's side. That's threaded? Yes. Sweet. So then this. New steering rack one day. It's gonna suck with an engine in though.
And obviously you're putting this back on because you want the car to be rolling to.
Yeah, I mean we've got a lot of stuff coming in soon. I mean again the engine we have the trans, the engine and the turbo kit will be coming very very soon.
Oh, you're just going for it.
Good job. Doing great. So what's the ancient Chinese secret?
Wedge it in before you hit it with the impact. There you go.
You know maybe I should put this down,
But we need it.
but I'm not going to. And that's exactly why I should put this down.
Are you still thinking about upgrading coils in the future?
Happening for sure. There's no doubt about it. It will happen. I just don't want to wait 8 weeks for them to come here from Australia.
Yeah.
And I also don't have $3,000 right now.
There you go.
The cherry vanilla?
You can do that or that cherry limeade one.
Okay.
Or I mean, if you find a sweet
Cool.
tea. That's still
Like a real quick.
Because that has happened on anything on this car. Real f***ing quick.
That piece is to hold the lines down, right?
This?
Yeah.
No, this is to stiffen this, the frame.
Chris, I'm trying to not be slow.
So you're just excited more pieces are going back on the car.
Yes. I just don't want to get the engine and the turbo kit and like not be ready. We do want to put these on both sides just for the sake of.
Yeah, try going on a 4-gauge wire.
We can't put them on until we get the middle bar across.
True, but we can.
Just hold it on there.
Yeah, I just want to mock it up. We do have a cross brace that goes here, holds the chassis a little bit together.
Not one
Drive shaft should be easy to put in too with that.
one wire with
Yeah,
Shouldn't be too much of a trouble.
Not gonna be a problem. Yes. Okay.
And the spacers were to help
They're
clearance
for the
with the
clearance.
fuel lines.
Yep.
Looks like it's gonna work.
Yeah, it is.
It's not pinching at all.
Nope. The way that this vehicle will drive,
Quite solid.
just even without ignore the power. I mean,
Just handling. Besides the fat ass drag radials.
yeah, which we also, I mean, we don't necessarily need to have on there.
Yeah, you could put like some nice street tires on.
All right, so we're done with the interior. We got the carpet laid down. We do have to put the seats still. I still have the center console to put in, but I'm holding off on that because I am waiting for my gauge pod, which is integrated into here. It's coming straight from Australia. Right now it's in US Customs, so hopefully it doesn't take another, month, because I've had that happen before. We'll wait, we'll play it safe, just in case I do need to tear things apart. I could put a little bit on, but I don't want to mess with it. I'll wait till another day to do that. However, in the meantime, we can finish up making this car a roller, get some wheels on this thing, hook up the steering column, and maybe we can roll it off the lift. Hey, what the?
Sorry, I'll take that back.
Wait.
I saw it.
Sick.
So now that the rear subframe is back in, what else is left to become a roller?
Front wheels.
Oh,
And
So-
we do have to, the front struts need to be finalized, but
so it's a roller. pretty
that's an
much.
impact. Yeah, we're just gonna lower it a little bit. Yeah.
Oh, look at that alignment. It's perfectly aligned, actually, dude. You don't even need an alignment.
That's the spring settling. You can start putting the arms in. I'm gonna walk around the car.